Welcome to today's chemistry lesson on the particulate nature of matter. We will explore elements, atomicity, ions, and molecules to understand how matter is built from the smallest particles. All matter, whether solid, liquid, or gas, is made up of tiny, invisible particles. These particles combine in different ways to form the substances we see around us. The particulate theory of matter explains that particles are always in motion. They are extremely small and invisible to our eyes. And importantly, they exert forces of attraction on each other. An element is a pure substance consisting of only one kind of atom. Examples include oxygen, hydrogen, iron, and sulfur. Atomicity refers to the number of atoms in a molecule of an element. Elements can be monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, or even polyatomic. For example, some elements exist as single atoms called monoatomic. Helium and argon are monoatomic gases. Others exist as diatomic molecules, like hydrogen and oxygen. We also have triatomic elements, such as ozone, which contains 3 oxygen atoms. Finally, some elements are polyatomic, containing many atoms. Examples include phosphorus, with 4 atoms, and sulfur, with 8 atoms in a molecule. When atoms lose or gain electrons, they form ions. Therefore, ions are atoms with charges. A positively charged ion is called a cation, while a negatively charged ion is an anion. For example, when sodium loses 1 electron, it forms a sodium ion. When chlorine gains 1 electron, it becomes a chloride ion. Other examples include calcium losing 2 electrons to form a calcium ion, and oxygen gaining 2 electrons to form an oxide ion. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance that can exist on its own. It is made up of 2 or more atoms bonded together. Examples of molecules include water, which is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Carbon dioxide, with 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. Ammonia, with 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. And methane, with 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. Let us count atoms in a molecule. Take carbon dioxide as an example. It contains 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. Now consider ammonia. It has 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms, making a total of 4 atoms in one molecule. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause the video if you need additional time. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.